All right, so this question is asking for the denominator of our basic EPS. So this is going to also be known as what? This is also going to be known as our weighted average common shares outstanding, or our WACSO. So this is exactly what we're going to be calculating here, and the following information is going to give us enough to compute this. So what we need to do first is understand what each of these actually mean. So basically what we're doing here is we're determining what amount of common stock is outstanding or owned by the public in a given period of time. So January 1st, we have a beginning balance of 700,000. So when you're calculating this, you need to determine of these shares, how long were they outstanding? So the period outstanding was 12 months. So it's going to be 700 times 12, which is going to 12 divided by 12 rather, 12 of 12 months. The period outstanding is going to be 700,000 for that specific beginning balance. We repurchased 20,000 of our common shares. So 20,000 is going to be multiplied by how many months? And that's going to be 9 of 12 because it was repurchased on March 31st. We have 9 months remaining in the year. So 9 divided by 12, that's going to give us 15,000. And that's 15,000 that's going to be reducing our weighted average common shares because that is going to be repurchased. So that's taking them out of the hands of the public. So we are repurchasing them. We're reducing our weighted average common shares. Conversion of preferred stock, that's going to be increasing our weighted average common shares because when we're converting our preferred stock into common stock, that is going to be increasing the amount of common stock that is outstanding. So that's going to be multiplied by 6 of 12 because June 30th, we have 6 months remaining in the year, July 1st through the end of December. So that's going to be 40,000 times 6 of 12. We're going to be adding this to 20,000. Repurchase 36,000 only for 1 month. Same story as March 31st, except the only difference is it's going to be 1 of 12, not 9 of 12. So we're going to be subtracting 36,000 times 1/12. Only going to be 3,000 here. 700,000 plus 20,000 less 18,000. Final answer is going to be 702,000. In the basic EPS formula, it would just be net income less your preferred dividends. And that's going to be over the 702,000, which is our WACSO. So that 702,000 would be going in our denominator. If they asked you to calculate EPS, you'd have to take the net income amount, which would be this 2 million. There's no preferred dividends, so it would just be 2 million over the 702,000. But that's not what they're asking. They're just asking for the denominator in the computation, or our weighted average common shares outstanding. Therefore, C is going to be correct.